Right. Let's talk about Egypt. When you think of driving in Egypt, you probably picture the chaos of Cairo, car horns, bumpers, and a haze of exhaust. For decades, the Egyptian street has been ruled by petrol engines, but something is changing. Now, there's a new sound, or rather a lack of it, the quiet hum of electric cars. A revolution is brewing, powered by lithium-ion batteries and electric motors. Egyptians are starting to ask, can't we do better? Plugging in your car is becoming normal in cities like Alexandria and Cairo. This isn't just a fad, it's a real shift in how people think about transport. With rising petrol prices, smoggy air, and government support, the move to electric just makes sense. The roar of engines is fading, replaced by the gentle whir of electric motors, a sign of big change ahead. To join the electric revolution, you need the right cars, vehicles that are not only efficient and eco-friendly, but also fit your lifestyle and budget. The world of electric vehicles, or EVs, is expanding rapidly, and Egypt is no exception. Egypt's options are growing fast, with new models and brands arriving every year. Whether you're looking for something compact for city driving or a larger SUV for family trips, there's an electric car for everyone. Volkswagen's ID.4 is a favorite among early adopters. Solid, spacious, and with enough range for daily life. It's a symbol of how established global brands are investing in Egypt's electric future, bringing reliability and style to the streets. Chinese brands like BYD are making waves, offering tech-packed cars at prices that make electric driving accessible to more Egyptians than ever before. Their focus on affordability and innovation is helping to drive the EV movement forward. Tesla's allure is strong too. Model 3s and Ys are rare but turn heads, showing what's possible when cutting-edge technology meets bold design. For many, Tesla represents the dream of a fully electric future. But it's not just about the big names. The EV scene in Egypt is becoming more diverse, with a growing number of choices for every taste and need. Hyundai, Kia, and a host of smaller Chinese brands are entering the market, making competition fierce. This competition is great news for buyers, as it pushes companies to offer better features, longer ranges, and more attractive prices. More choice means better tech and lower prices for buyers. Families, young professionals, and even first-time car owners are now considering electric vehicles as a practical option. Electric cars are no longer just for the wealthy, they're becoming the new normal. As charging stations pop up across cities and highways, EVs are now a realistic choice for everyday Egyptians. The car park is changing. Now the new pharaohs of the road run on volts, not petrol. It's a transformation that blends Egypt's rich history with a cleaner, greener future. The electric revolution is here, and it's here to stay. With every new EV on the road, Egypt moves closer to a sustainable tomorrow. Egypt's streets have never looked more exciting, as the hum of electric motors replaces the roar of engines, and a new era of mobility takes shape before our eyes. Every revolution needs a leader, and in the case of Egypt's electric vehicle transformation, the government is taking center stage. With a vision for a cleaner, more sustainable future, officials are laying out an ambitious roadmap to reshape the nation's transportation landscape. Egypt's government is stepping up in a big way, bringing together ministers, industry experts, and international partners to drive this change forward. Their coordinated efforts are setting the tone for a nationwide shift. One of the first bold moves was slashing customs duties on imported electric cars, making these vehicles far more affordable for everyday Egyptians. This policy is opening doors for families and businesses to consider electric for the first time. But the plan goes beyond just lowering prices. The government is investing heavily in infrastructure, building a national network of charging stations that stretches from busy highways to bustling shopping centers, ensuring that EV owners can charge up wherever they go. To secure the future of the industry, officials are also pushing for local production. They're offering incentives and support to international manufacturers, encouraging them to set up factories and assembly lines right here in Egypt. The results are already visible. The first locally assembled electric vehicles are rolling off the production lines, celebrated by workers and welcomed by eager customers. This step is making electric cars even more accessible and affordable. Public awareness campaigns are everywhere, on billboards, in newspapers, and across social media, educating people about the benefits of electric vehicles and promoting them as the smart, clean choice for the future. Even government fleets and public buses are going electric, setting an example for the rest of the country. and sending a clear message that the transition is both possible and necessary. It's a comprehensive plan: cheaper cars, more charging stations, new local jobs, and cleaner air for everyone. The government's approach is holistic, touching every part of the EV ecosystem. The strategy is working. Electric vehicles are no longer a novelty on Egyptian roads, they're becoming a common sight, embraced by families, commuters, and businesses alike. Egypt is positioning itself as a regional hub for electric vehicles, aiming to export locally made EVs and share its expertise with neighboring countries. This shift isn't just about cars, it's about building a new industrial future, creating opportunities for innovation, and setting the stage for a greener economy. The electric revolution is officially underway in Egypt, and the government's grand plan is turning vision into reality: one charge, one car, and one city at a time. Why switch to electric? Let's start with money. Running an EV is much cheaper, electricity costs less than petrol, and maintenance is minimal. No oil changes, no exhausts, no endless repairs, just plug in and go. Over a year the savings add up fast. Then there's the environment. Egypt's cities struggle with air pollution, but EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions. Cleaner air means healthier lives for everyone. And the driving experience? Electric cars are smooth, silent, and quick. Perfect for city traffic. Instant acceleration, no gear changes, and a calmer commute. It's a better way to drive, and it's catching on. You save money, breathe cleaner air, and enjoy the ride. The real question isn't, why go electric? It's, why not? For many Egyptians, the answer is clear. The future is electric. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. The transition to electric vehicles in Egypt, like anywhere else, comes with its own set of unique challenges and growing pains. While the promise of cleaner air and quieter streets is appealing, the road to get there is far from simple. The biggest hurdle? Upfront cost. EVs are still pricier than petrol cars, even with tax breaks. For many Egyptians, the sticker shock is hard to ignore, especially when traditional cars are so familiar and widely available. For many families, that's a tough leap, despite long-term savings. The idea of saving money on fuel and maintenance is attractive, but the initial investment can feel out of reach for the average household. The used EV market is also new and uncertain. People worry about battery life and replacement costs. Unlike petrol cars, where the risks are well known, electric vehicles bring new questions about how long batteries will last and how expensive they are to replace. Trust and standards for second-hand EVs need to grow. Buyers want reassurance that a used EV won't surprise them with hidden costs or sudden breakdowns, and mechanics are still learning the ropes. There's also a knowledge gap. Most people know petrol cars, but EVs are unfamiliar territory. Many drivers are unsure about how to operate or maintain an electric vehicle, and myths persist. Myths and questions abound. Can you drive in the rain? Will the battery suddenly die in the middle of nowhere? These uncertainties make some hesitant to make the switch. What if you run out of power? Range anxiety is real, especially when charging stations aren't everywhere. The fear of being stranded is a major concern for new adopters. Education is key, and it's a work in progress. Workshops, community events, and online resources are slowly helping people understand the benefits and realities of EV ownership. Infrastructure is another challenge. Chargers are mostly in big cities and along highways. For now, charging your car is easy if you live in Cairo or Alexandria, but much harder elsewhere. For those in rural areas or apartment blocks, charging can be tricky. Many homes don't have private parking, and public chargers are few and far between outside urban centers. Solving these issues is crucial for mass adoption. It will take coordinated efforts from government, industry, and communities to make EVs accessible for everyone. The road to an all-electric Egypt has bumps, but none are insurmountable. With determination, innovation, and a willingness to learn, these obstacles can be overcome. The journey is just beginning, and every challenge faced today brings us one step closer to a cleaner, more sustainable future for all Egyptians.